So let's put this in practice in the context of our order to cash example. So we had one pool, the seller pool, and now we need to add one more pool, the customer pool. As we've seen from the scenario description, there weren't any details about how the customer actually participates in this process, so we can model the customer by means of a collapsed pool. So let's now represent, by means of message flows, the interactions that take place between the various activities and events in the seller organization and the customer. So first of all, we know that instances of this process start upon the receipt of a purchase order. So we turn the start event into a start message event, purchase order received, and we model a message emanating from the border of the customer pool and being incident to the start message event. And we label the message flow with the name of the information that is being exchanged. In this case, is the purchase order, so a real artifact. Then, confirm order as an outgoing message that stops at the border of the customer pool, and that will be the order confirmation. So in this case, activity confirm order is acting as a send activity. Once the order has been confirmed, this activity finishes by sending a message out. Similarly, reject order completes by sending an order rejection out, which is then caught by the customer pool. Ship goods and emit invoice are also other examples of send activities, meaning activities that send a message upon completion. The first to send a shipment notice, the second to send an invoice. The dual of a send activity is a receive activity. The receive activity works similarly to an activity that requires a data object as input, meaning that even if that activity receives control by means of a token in the control flow, that activity can only start when the incoming message flow is available. So for example, if I receive a loan application that I need to assess and the activity is assess loan application with an incoming message flow called loan application, labeled loan application, that activity can only start once the loan application is actually available for that activity